It's not that Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rama, and if you are not new, you guys already know I love you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are having a collective haul. You know, last time when I went shopping at Toronto Eating Center, I promised you guys I'll be showing you everything I got from H&M, right? So I'm going to show you everything I got, plus some other stuff that I've been loving. I'm preparing for fall, so your girl is building her fall wardrobe. I also got some self-care items because you know building your wardrobe is not only about what you put on yourself, but also about how you take care of yourself and what you put on your body. So let me show you the self-care items that I've been loving since I've been here. In terms of skincare, this is the latest addition to my skincare. This is the ordinary ascorbic acid. I know you've all heard about it. It works amazing. Like, I've been breaking out since I came to Canada. I don't know whether it's the change of weather or diet or whatever it is, but I got this and it's been doing wonders for me. The ordinary ascorbic acid vitamin C. I don't know, I'll put a picture on the screen. I got this off Amazon, and as you can see, I'm almost out. Like, I use this every day. But then the catch here is whenever you are using this, you need to add a sunscreen. Do not use this and go out without sunscreen. So always pair this with a very good sunscreen. Yeah, good to go. In case you are wondering what actually did it for my skin, I use the CeraVe Gentle Cleanser. This one cleanses your skin really well, and it exfoliates your skin as well. I love it. I also love it because it has salicylic acid in there. Salicylic acid. I hope I pronounced that right. Yeah, so I use this, and then I also use the ordinary. So just in case you are wondering what actually did it for my skin, these are the only two new additions I have added to my skincare. In terms of hair care, let me put you guys on. My loctician actually recommended this shampoo to me, and I haven't looked back. It's called Live Clean. It's 98% plant-based. Like, I love vegan products because, like, I'm trying to be very careful with what I put on my skin. So when she recommended this to me, I was like, I love the fact that it's vegan. Let me try it and see if it's something that I actually love. And boy, I'm in love. This one, it smells like apple. And anytime I use it on my hair, I can feel how clean my scalp is. I can't explain it, but then I've really been loving this one. And you guys know I don't get keep, so I just have to put you guys on. And for the price, it's so good. Like, you get two of this for like 9.99 or so. I don't know, but just check Amazon, you see it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for putting me on. Yeah, so moving on. When it comes to perfumes, I'm not someone who is into strong scented perfumes. I don't know, for some reason they just don't do it for me. I like my perfumes to be like laid back but still seductive. Yeah, so I've been loving this Amber Oud. Guys, this perfume is very, very bad. Like, it's so bad, I have to tell you guys about it. It's so bad that I got one that is out, and I have got another one. Please don't go and buy it. This one is only for me, right? It's only for me, guys. So this is the new one that I got. The other one is out, but I don't want to talk too much. The girls who know it know it. What? Smells so good. It's called Haraman Amber Oud. Please, like I said, don't buy it. This perfume is only good for me. It's not good for any other person. You get it? Another thing that I got to enhance my self-care is this wax set. You know, typically I'll go to the salon in Ghana to let someone do it for me, but of late I just want to learn how to take care of myself by myself, if COVID taught me anything, is to learn to be sufficient. Self, what's the word? Learn to do things yourself. So I'm really glad that I got this. Like, it has really been doing it for me in terms of getting rid of the hair at all the places that do not need hair, getting rid of all the hairs that's unwanted hairs. You, whatever it is, you get a vibe, right? All right, now let's move to my favorite parts, the clothing. So I'm going to start off by showing you everything I got from H&M, and then we can move to the other brands. So I got this black top. Guys, you need to feel the texture. Like, the top is not only cute, but it's so thick, and I love the cut. I love the cut on the cut of the shape of the arm. Look at that. And I got this for 31.99. I really love this because this is going to be like a staple in my wardrobe. Like, there are so many ways that you can style this and it will never go out of fashion. I know I said I was not going to buy black anymore because I have a lot of blacks, but when I saw this, I just couldn't help myself. I couldn't help myself. It's so cute. I'll put it on and then I'll insert a video right here on the side. Let's move on to the next item. I also got this white long sleeves. I think I wore this once. It looks so expensive, even though it's not. It was actually 32 point something. I don't remember, but it was around not more than 35. I like the silk nature of it. You know, when you iron this and then you throw it on a skirt or a tra or whatever it is going to pop. Like, it's going to elevate your look. It's going to take you from 0 to 100. And this one too, it never goes out of style. You can wear this for a very long time, and it's not a trendy piece. You know, that is why I don't like buying trendy pieces, because I'm not rich, so I need to invest in pieces that will last me a while and pieces that I can style in 3 or more ways. You get what I mean? Yeah. I also got this coat for the cold weather. Actually, this wasn't what I wanted to buy originally. Like, there was a trench coat I saw on their website and I wanted to get that, but when I went to their stores, it was sold out. So, but I saw this and I thought it was cute. Like, it's heavy. It's really heavy. You know, the weather in Canada here is unpredictable. Sometimes it can get so cold. So this will actually do it for me because I'm really starting to get used to the cold. So I got this in gray, and this is 74 on there. And let me know what you think, guys. I can style this with an all white outfit, an all black outfit, all red, or like, I'm just going to play with it. I'll play with it and then let's see. Next up is this denim jacket. I actually did not think I needed a denim jacket, so I came to Canada and I wore this in my last vlog. Guys, this is so cute, you know, and it was $36. I got this at Walmart for $36, but when you go to Zara, you're going to get it for $69. But you know, I'm putting you guys on. Get it at, and this is actually thick. I checked the one at Zara and it wasn't as thick as this. And if you're looking for something to keep you warm in the cold, I would suggest you get this one. Aside the price point, it's actually thicker than the one I saw at Zara. It's not a crop jacket, you know, so if you're looking for the crop one, you might probably have to look somewhere. This one is not cropped. It kind of looks like oversized, but it's not also really oversized. And the shoulder, I don't really understand how the shoulder, I'll wear it and then I'll insert a picture somewhere. But all in all, I think I can work with it and I love it. Let's go to the next item. I mean, what is fall without leather pants? But I got this from Gap. It looks so nice. I'm actually thinking of making a video to show you 5 ways that you can style one single denim jacket. So if that's something that you're interested in, you need to subscribe and stay tuned. I think that will be the video after this one. Yeah. So let's quickly check out the next item that I got. Is this sweater. Guys, tell me this is not cute. Tell me this is not cute. I love the color and I like the color of the bottom. I think it adds some kind of beauty to the sweater, and you can pair this with a black tra or a blue tra, whatever. I can even pair this with this and it will still vibe. And I got this at Walmart for $25, and this is extra small, but I actually wished I had gotten this in a size small, just so it will look a little loose on me. Yeah, but all in all, I think I still love it. Let's go to the next item. And then I got this joggers. This was also at Walmart, $22, and the brand is Athletic Works. Anytime like I see colors like this, I just want to get it. I don't know why. It's so cute. This is for when you want to run a quick errand and you don't also want to dress up. This will go with black, this will go with white. This is also like a staple, you know, and I like the little detail on the side as well. Yeah. So guys, that's it for my collective haul. Let me know what you think. Is there anything you'd love me to try? And my next video will be 5 ways you can style a denim jacket. So if that is your vibe, you need to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so anytime I upload it, you'll see. And thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you. I'll see you next week.